Hello everyone, welcome to HREA's e-learning space. This is a brief tutorial to help you make full use of the course website on Moodle. Let's begin with the login page. I will use my student account to show you step by step. And click on login. This will lead us to the dashboard page, and where you can see the recently accessed courses like this. But if you don't see these courses on the first page you land in, you can also go to the top menu where you can see My Courses here. This will present you the courses that you have already registered. And let's go to curriculum development course that is taking place currently. And here we are on the curriculum development course page, and scroll down until you see the weekly modules. And before the weekly modules, you can check out the welcome module, where you can download the syllabus here as a resource. You can either view it online like this, or you have other options like print it out or save it as a PDF file to your computer. Let's go back to the welcome module. And in the welcome module, we also have an open forum where you can post your questions or comments anytime you would like extra engagement with the class. And in the announcements section, you can always check out our regular messages, including the weekly instructor message and other communication we are having with the class. And that's all for the welcome module. And let's see what we have under each weekly module. If you click on the weekly module title like this one, you will see an overview of the coursework you need to complete. But you need to further click on Open Week 1 in order to go to the actual resources and activities you need to participate. Here we are on the Week 1 module page. And the first one is the instructor message. It is actually an easy access to the instructor message whenever you need it, instead of having to search through your email inbox. And under the instructor message, these are the discussion forums that you have already participated. And clicking on it will lead us to the discussion board. And you can either reply to the discussion question or reply to one of the comments that your classmates have already posted. And go back to week 1. Let's see what else. And this is the URL to the webinar recording, because the webinar has already taken place. And this will lead you to the Zoom website, where you can review the recording of the first webinar. Under the webinar URL, there are other resources. These are the required readings as well as optional readings for week 1. And all of these titles are clickable. If it is an URL like this one, for example, you click on it and go to the website where you can read the materials. If it is a file, like I just showed, the syllabus. Similarly, if you click on a file, the reading file, like the UNESCO one, you can either view it online like this, or you can download or print it out here. I think that's all for week 1. Let's see how to go to week 2. You can either jump to week 2 through the drop-down menu here, or simply click on the bigger arrow here, which will lead us to week 2. Here is week 2. And similarly, we have the instructor message, the discussion forum, and what is new is the exercise. And you can see the instructions and due date here, but you need to click on this exercise in order to submit your own exercise. And here is where you can add your submission. As you can see in this box, you can drag and drop files to add them. Otherwise, you can also click on files in order to upload your file here by choosing File from your computer. Once you have already uploaded your file, be sure to save changes in order to make your submission. In this case, I will cancel because it's just a demonstration. And let's go back to week 2. Under exercise, you can see the files. Some of them are required resources as labeled, and the last one is an optional resource. And all of these files are downloadable. Similarly, we can go to week 3, as I just showed. You can either use the drop-down menu or click on week 3. Here we are on week 3, and we can see the instructor message, discussion forum that you should be familiar with already. And we will have the second webinar for week 3, and you can confirm the date and time here. And this is a clickable URL, which will lead you to the access to the webinar. Under the webinar, you can see there is a quiz for this week, and you need to complete it by clicking on it, of course. And then you need to click on this attempt button in order to go to the actual questions. And for each question, you should select the correct answer in your mind and simply clicking on it and go to next page, which will be the next question. Let's go back for now. Similarly, we have required resources that you can download. We also have an optional resource for week 3. I think that's all for all types of resources and activities you need to engage with. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us, and you can always find our contact information from the syllabus, which you can locate under the Welcome module here. Okay, I hope you enjoy your learning with us, and see you soon in the next webinar. Bye.